విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello and welcome to 10th class mathematics. Yesterday, our last class, we were discussing about the chapter real numbers. We have completed one question. Find the CF of so two numbers I am given, and two questions also I have given homework to you. Now you check it your answers. I will do here. Which questions I am given? 196 and 38220. And second question 1651 2032. These both questions are given. First, I explain about the answers. Are you done correct or not? First of all, we have verified. Now 196 and 38220. Which is the biggest number? 38220. The 38220 should be right left side. 38220. Now you write here 126. You should be do the simplification. How many times it will be simplified? 38220. 196. I think 196 into 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. I think 10 times is also very less. We go one more other number, like 15 times. 196 into, for example, 2 6 12, 2 9 18, 18 plus 1 9, 392. How much you are getting here? 392. Now we take 196. 6. Now here 7. 17 minus 9, 8. And here left. How much? 1. So 196 one time. So here 186. Now you carry the 2 here. Now 196 into 9. 9 6 54. 9 9 81. 81 plus 5. 86. 9 1 9 and 7. How much you got answer? 1764. We have to write 9 here. 1764. 12 minus 4, 8. Now here 5 is left. Now 1 carry. Again it becomes to the 15. Then 15 minus 6 is 9. Now we can carry the 0 here. Now 980. 196. You see once we multiply with 5. 5 6 30. 5 9 45. 45 plus 3. 48. 5 1 5. Now you got exactly how much? 980. Now we have to write 5. Now you write 980. What is the answer? Remainder is left? 0. So 196, how many times you should be multiplied? 195 times. Then how much is left? 0. Then what is the HCF? The HCF is 196. What is the HCF? 196. This is the answer for second question. See your textbook, page number 5th, question number 1, roll number 2, 196 and 38220. What is HCF? HCF is 196 is the answer. Now we are going to discuss about the second question. What is the second question? For the last class homework. This is the second question for last class homework. Which numbers I am given here? 16512032. These two numbers I am given. Which is the greater number? 2032. First, whenever they will do two numbers or three numbers, first we have to select the two numbers. The two numbers, which is the greater number should be right left side, and the smaller number you should be right inside. Then after we have to verify. It will be goes one time or 2 times or 3 times. That will be do the calculation in your rough paper. How many times it will be go? I think it will be one time. So how much is remainder left? 2032 minus 1651. 1 is left. Carry here 30. 30 minus 5 is 8. 9 is left here. 9 minus 6 3. So which answer is left here? 381. Okay. Now come to the here. You write 1651. Now we have take here 381. 381 how many times? I think it is 5 times or 6 times. Just I observed with 5. Just it is a verification. 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40, 5 3 is 15, 1905. Which is the very biggest figure comparatively with 1651. Again I will choose with 4. 4. 8 4 is 32, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So with 5 it is greater number, with 4 it is the smaller number. So nearest number is 4. You write here 4. So how much is left? Remainder. You should be subtract 1651 minus 1524. 11 minus 4 7. Here 4 is left. 4 minus 2 2. Here 6 127 is left. We have to write here 127 in place of remainder. Now again you take 381. Again multiply with 127. How many times? 2 times or 3 times? This is with 3. 7 3 is 21. 3 2 6. And add 2. Then 8. Then again 3. How much you got here? 381 exactly got. 127 how many times? 3 times. 381 you got the answer. That means remainder how much? 0. When you got the remainder 0, then what is our SCR? 121. What is the answer? SCR is equal to 127. So, last class I have given the 2 questions for homework to you. First question, 196 and 38220. The answer is 196. Again, one more question I have given, 16512032. This answer is 127. First of all of you verify your answers. Okay. Now, you come to the next question. All of you open your textbooks, page number 5 and example number 1. Example number 1. What example question they are given? Show that every positive even integer is the form of 2q and every positive odd integer in the form of 2q plus 1. This is the question is given. If you have multiplied any number, for example, one number is there 16, one more other number is there 15 or 17. 16 multiplied with 2, 2x 16, 0. How to write? 16 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 0. Again, 17 you should be multiplied with 8, 2. 2, 8, 16. What is the left? 2. Then how to write? 17 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 1. So that means first form is 2q plus 0 and the second form is 2q plus 1. So you all of you result, whenever the number is multiplied with divided by 2, you will get 2 forms. Either 2q plus 0 or 2q plus 1. Similarly, like that, multiply with divided by 3. Whenever you divided by 3, 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Divided by with 4, 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2 and 4q plus 3, you stop it. Because the remainder is always lies between 0 and the whatever the divisor is there. Here divisor is 3, that means you stop with 2, you stop with 3. That means again once result, if any number is divisible by 2, you will get the 2 forms. Which forms you will get? 2q and 2q plus 1. The number is divisible by 3, 3q plus 0, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. The remainder should be less than the divisor. Again 4, 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. For example 5, 5q, 5q plus 1 like that. Up to state by 2 plus 4. This is the one of the example question I have given here. Now we come to the here. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Question number 2. All of you open your textbooks and see the question and read it. What the question is given. What is given here? Use equal division length to show that any positive integer in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 1. These all are positive integers. Once again listen, the number which is divisible by 6, you will get 6 cube plus 0, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5. Still up to 5. 6 cube plus 0 and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4. You know very well. These three are represent even numbers. What represent? Even numbers. And 6 cube plus 1 and 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. These all are represent. What represent? All positive integers. So this is your answer for second question. Now I am going to give some questions for you homework. Same. Find HCF of given numbers. 480, 360, 196 and 165. And third question, 200 and 150. Again once again, homework for today class. Find HCF of 480 and 360, 196 and 165, 200 and 150 by using the division algorithm. Okay, thank you.